Mastering kitchen terms, the baking stone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our cozy corner where we unravel the mysteries of English, one phrase at a time. Today, we're getting into the kitchen to explore what a baking stone is and why it's a beloved tool for both amateur and professional bakers. So, let's get started and preheat our learning ovens. A baking stone is a portable cooking surface used in ovens. It's usually made of stone, ceramic, or salt and is known for its heat retention and even heat distribution properties. Just as its name suggests, it's commonly used for baking pizzas, bread, and other pastries to perfection. The concept of the baking stone is not a modern invention. It traces back to ancient civilizations where people used flat stones to cook bread over an open fire. Through centuries, this simple method evolved, and now we have the modern baking stone that fits nicely into our kitchen ovens. Using a baking stone can transform your baking. It mimics the effects of a brick oven, giving you that crispy crust on pizza and bread. The stone's high thermal mass means it holds heat well, eliminating hot spots and contributing to uniform baking. Using a baking stone is straightforward. Place it in a cold oven and preheat it for about an hour before baking. To care for your stone, let it cool down completely before cleaning, and avoid using soap as it can absorb odors and flavors. A well-maintained stone can last for many years. And there you have it, a brief tour into the world of baking stones. Whether you're a language learner or a baking enthusiast, we hope this video has added a little more knowledge to your day. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep baking. Until next time, happy baking and happy learning.